Energy equals to mass into speed of light?
Energy is mass into speed of light square.
Square. Yeah, E equals to MC
E is
square.
equal to mc square.
Isn't that like the...
From this equation, mass and energy can be converted into each other,
Wow.
provided mass is moved with speed of light or comparable speeds.
Wow.
Suppose you are thrown in space with speed of light. Suppose you,
Yeah.
आपको उठाकर किसी ने फेंक दिया speed of light से. Then you will start converting into energy.
I will become an energy.
Yeah, you will be getting transformed into energy.
My body, my mass, my everything will be energy.
Yes.
I will no longer be a physical entity.
Yes.
What? Actually,
energy is also physical entity, but it is another form.
Wow, this is really cool. That's really cool.
So this is significance of E is equal to mc square.
How do they even find this? Is it theoretical or is it actually?
No, it is practical.
What? They've done this. They've tried it.
It is a foundation for a theory of relativity.
What? How
Albert Einstein wala.
No, but how did they find it? Did they throw?
Yesterday, I had one video I have saved in the form of screen recording.
Yeah.
How speed of light in air was detected. That was the video.
Okay.
So hello friends, I'm going to derive E is equal to mc square, the most popular equation of the universe. This is basically Einstein's mass energy equivalence. That means according to this equation, energy and mass are interconvertible, provided this mass m is moved through the space with the speed equivalent to speed of light. Initially, it was a theoretical concept while Einstein proposed this equation, but later on, according to this theoretical assumption given by him, plenty of practical research underwent, and because of these developments, today our space science is what we see today. तो चलिए देखते हैं. Let's move on to proof. E is equal to energy, m is mass, and c speed of light. What we know is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That means 3 lakh kilometers per second. But absolute value of speed of light is 299,792,458 meter per second. Approx 3 lakh kilometer per second. For proving, we need to consider work energy theorem in general. What we people study in work energy power, that work is done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Be applied displaces dx. The work done in the process will change kinetic energy mass m. Change in kinetic energy is equal to work done dE is equal to F dx. F is equal to, now from Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to dP by dt. That means rate of change of momentum with respect to time. Rate of change of momentum, that means where P is momentum, and also dx by dt is v. Like that. Now I'm to include the value of dP by applying product rule. For this differentiation purpose, we were bound to consider this kind of differentiation because mass is also here variable. Then coming back, while putting this value of dP in the equation dE is equal to v dP, this is considered as equation number 1. relation between absolute mass and relative mass from the theory of relativity only. The relation being m is equal to m naught root under 1 minus v square upon c square. Now I'm going to explain the notations where v is the speed of that mass which is thrown into the space. M naught is absolute mass, m is relative mass. From here, we can slightly manipulate m is equal to m naught 1 minus v square by c square raised to minus 1 by 2. Now, for the purpose of, now we'll be differentiating this equation to get dm by dv. Why? Because here we want to utilize this equation number 1. Now, differentiating m naught being constant will be taken out. Now, this time, chain rule of differentiation nx n minus 1, then thereafter differentiation of this bracket n x n minus 1, then thereafter differentiation of this bracket, that means 1 minus v square by c square. 1 is again 0 minus v square, that means 2v, 2 minus 1, that means 2v only. Definitely c square is constant, so will be taken as it is. Further solving, this minus cancels, dm by m naught 1 minus v square by c square minus 3 by 2 v square by v by c square. Slight rearrangement of terms are to be taken. M naught 1 minus v square by c square minus minus 1. Actually, I have factorized minus 1 v by c square, that is equal to, now I am to take reference from here. The purpose for factorization was that only. Here we have m naught multiplied by 1 minus v square by c square raised to minus half, and same term we are obtaining here also, m naught 1 minus v square by c square minus half. So I am to replace this whole thing by m. That was the motto. C square minus v square by c square minus 1 v by v square. Now we want to reciprocate. This will be cancelling. Then after that, cross multiplication. C square dm minus v square dm is equal to mv dv. Equation number 2. Now after couple of steps, we'll have to perform integration so that we could do away with all these dm, dm and dv. Let's see how do we arrange our equation. It implies that already we had equation number 1, dE is equal to mv dv plus v square dm. Again, take note of this. dE is equal to mv dv plus v square dm. Equation number 1. We have obtained this in right hand side. So c square dm could be written as dE. Now integrating both sides, dE is c square dm. It implies that delta E is, it implies that this very equation delta E is equal to delta mc square is also used in nuclei, where delta E is binding energy and delta m is mass effect. But here, for this simple understanding of E is equal to mc square, we don't require. So coming back to our final, E is equal to mc square, we have finally proved. So I hope I could explain this equation very nicely, and even then if you have any doubt, you can always connect through comment box or or other means of communication. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care.